As we come into Q4, the Christmas time of year here in Australia, September as I shoot this video, PPC costs, Amazon PPC costs are going up and up and up and up. Why is that? Why are your Amazon PPC costs so high? And what can you do to make them lower? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why that is and show you exactly how to fix it. If you like this kind of stuff where I'm helping you make more money on Amazon, be sure to give your video a thumbs up. Really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And of course, be sure to subscribe to my channel because we post brand spankly new information all about helping you make more money on Amazon each and every day. All right, let's get into it. First thing to notice about Amazon PPC is costs for PPC are going up, like ludicrously going up. Year on year, 20 to 25% as an increase in cost for PPC, meaning when you, let's do a little kind of step back actually, Asher. When you type in a search term, you are presented, as we can see, with some things that are called sponsored listings. These people are all using Amazon PPC to put themselves into that spot, and the person who is bidding the most money, this is actually incorrect, but it's an easy way to think about it, and I'll step back and explain it more for you in a second. The person who's bidding the most money is there. That hasn't cost them anything to get there yet, but the potentiality is it will cost them the most money if I click on their advert, hence pay per click, versus they're bidding the next amount. So they could be bidding $4, for instance, in the hopes that I will click on their advert. These might be clicking $3.90, $3.80, $3.70, blah, 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 okay? So now we've got that piece of information. So every given search term, people are trying to use Amazon PPC to get there into that top spot for the sponsored results. And those costs to get in that spot are spiraling up and up and up. So how does that help us with regards to now understanding a little bit more about how SEO works? Well, turns out that Amazon PPC costs, the cost that Amazon charges us to bid on a particular search term, let's come over here, is a function of a few different things. The two most important things for Amazon is the amount of money that you're prepared to pay to acquire a click. That's called your bid. Just like if you put a bid on a product on eBay, in an effort to try and win that product. It's exactly how that works. Okay, it's like an auction. So that's very important. But what Amazon also takes into consideration is your unit session percentage. So they also take that into consideration as well. Meaning, if Amazon thinks that your product will convert more people into sales than another product, then they will give you a higher rating, even though the other person may be bidding more than you for Amazon PPC. Does that make sense? I don't know if that's kind of easy to wrap your head around or not, but hopefully that makes sense for you. If it doesn't, unmute yourself, ask a question, I'll clarify, okay? Otherwise I'm just going to kind of blindly blather on. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. Now we know that your unit session percentage not only influences where you rank for SEO on Amazon, but it also influences how much you pay for PPC on Amazon. And here's why that's important. One of the easiest ways to get your product to rank on Amazon, and which is where I'm going to kind of tie this back together for you, is by using Amazon PPC. So if I want to get my product to rank here for any given search term, one of the easiest ways of doing that is getting my product to be here for Amazon PPC. Okay, that's one of the easiest way to do that. And obviously, that will cost me less and less the better my product is at converting window shoppers, people who look at my page, to buyers. Okay, that costs me less and less money. That's why that metric is such an important metric. No matter what you're doing, whether it's just SEO or PPC, it really, really matters. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing and largest community of e-commerce entrepreneurs, Amazon entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with over 2,600 members and growing, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and of course come along and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you next time.